Snake in the bush eating a bird. It's getting the feet down.
Moving faster. Just let it go.
No, it's got its feet in its mouth.
Okay.
What?
He's just trying to move around so it'll swallow it. His feet's in the mouth now. But after they're done with that, he ain't gonna move fast. They can't. That's probably about 3 or 4 footer.
Yep, it swallowed it.
It did?
Yeah.
You got it on film?
Uh-huh.
Just looking for where's that in his belly. It's gotta go down somewhere.
The whole way.
I know. Ah, right to the middle, then it sits there. People weren't bothering to just lay here all night.
I texted her. We just filmed a snack.